I'm Marquishelo De Santos. I'm 18 years old po, and I'm from Biocoro, Pampanga, and I'm currently studying at National University Clark po, and I'm a nursing student.
Hi, candidate number 25. You're just 18 years old. Ano height?
6'2" po.
Sa tingin ko, yung height, may factor ba mo para makuha ka sa screen?
Yes po.
Okay. Tell me about yourself. Tell me more about yourself. What's your talent, educational background?
Wala pong talent. And basketball player din po ako. My previous school po, Holy Angel University.
Saan ka sa Batangas?
Pampanga po.
Pampanga.
Is this your first national pageant?
Yes po. Actually, first pageant po po. For one runway lang po kasi.
Okay. On a lighter side, tell something more about yourself, your hobbies, favorite color, ilang kayo magkakapatid.
Yung hobbies ko po is manood po ng Netflix, and apat po kami kakapatid, dalawa po lalaki, dalawa po babae.
Okay, hello, candidate number 25. Do you have any talents?
I don't have po.
You don't have any talent. So anyway, what is your advocacy in life?
My advocacy po is support, provide mentorship po for the young generation, because so that po hindi po sila maliligaw na landas and ma-achieve po nila yung mga goals nila.
And how will you be able to reach these youths?
Sorry po.
Paano mo sila ma-abot to really share your advocacy to them?
Kaya ano po, kaya po nito, pagsama po ng mga guidance and ano po, yun lang po.
Okay, thank you, candidate number 2.
Okay, last question for you. This is your first pageant ever. Okay, why did you join Mr. Grand Philippines?
I joined Mr. Grand Philippines po to embrace myself and to step out from my comfort zone po and to grow po.
Okay, I think we're good. Thank you, Thank you, contestant number 25.